Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1951 Chevy pickup truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. We have these real nice Chevrolet script valve covers with the Edelbrock blue pleated air cleaner, 14-inch air cleaner, aluminum air gap intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for a 51 Chevy, straight 45-degree water neck, high flow thermostat in there, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance. We have the blue Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. Correct rear sump oil pan on there. We always install the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups on the intake manifold. High torque mini starter on there, aligned and all set. Chrome dipstick and tube. We have the Muscle Car Series fuel pump. All the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell fuel line. All the loop clamps with the inline gas filter accessible up high. Russell fuel pressure gauge. Holley chrome fuel line. This beautiful black Wraptor serpentine pulley kit. AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation water pump. We have the 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family operated business here. We've been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 383 Chevy 475 horsepower engine for our customer's 1951 Chevy pickup. Thanks for watching.